All right, so welcome to another brand new episode of Live Forex Trading with your host, Peeling Mindset. Welcome to another brand new episode. We are here one more time, and man, the market. This is the first day of the week. We are halfway through the month, and usually after halfway through the month, we do see a lot of volume in the market, right? So I'm expecting a lot of volume. But obviously it's Monday, so this week is going to be beautiful on its own. It's just the second half of the month, and if anything is happening, man, this is the time where we see a lot of movement in the market, right? So that's what we want, and looks like today is a clean day, and we do have a news event around NYSE, but except for that, there's nothing. Tomorrow we have Pound, Bank of England, Bailey's doing a conference. And October 20th October, we got FOMC meetings happening. And Thursday, we got unemployment claims on Thursday. That's good. Friday is pretty clean. And yeah, this week looks very clean. Pretty good. Just give me setting up my system here. Trying to set up my system, right? That's what I'm trying to do here. Or just give me a second. All right, so we're going to look into pound yen at the beginning. So looking at the chart from monthly point of view at this point in time. So the current monthly candle has been pretty bullish, and it has broken the monthly resistance and is heading up. There's a clear traffic all the way up to, I would say, 163.50 sort of area, but that's long way to go, obviously. And expecting price to move there within this month may not be realistic, right? But we do have clear traffic on the left-hand side. A weekly time frame, weekly candle close above these weekly resistance. There is an active demand area, as we can see clearly. This right here is an active demand area. If I have to adjust this, for example, I can plot this as an active demand area, 161 to 80 sort of area right there. Just give me a second, and look at this. So one weekly candle has closed above this resistance that is in about 156.390 sort of area, and weekly candle still has a lot of perspective to push up. It might do a retest around this area before moving up, but we do have a lot of high chance to push up and finish bullish, or at least maintain a support on a weekly sort of a time frame, right? So on a daily time frame, we can clearly see that this Friday candle was very bullish, and the Monday candle has also made a low wick. Obviously, this is a potential retest area, this right here. So if I have to adjust, actually, I'm just going to leave the marked zones just like that for now. So for example, if I actually have to adjust this area, I'm only going to adjust that if the price starts heading down, right? Because I know there are potential rejection areas on the downside. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, right? So this gray area was a support area I drew around London session, but the 4-hour candles looks like it's actually holding a support here. We are seeing 3 bearish candle, and 3 bearish candle in a row of such a bullish candle is almost like nothing. And there isn't a huge fundamental change in the pound's economy, except for they're actually trying to raise the interest rate, which is actually pretty good. So yeah, everything's moving, right? So if the 4-hour support is held here, we might see an upside move, and that's what I want to see. If prices are pushing up in today's New York session, well, now what we need to do is we need to head into this smaller time frame to see any clues. Now, this gray area, so let me actually note this gray area down, right? So let me call this 156.935. So if this 156 and 935 sort of area has been respected by the price several times, well, more than likely it's going to push up. So we've seen this price action several times, several times. So what the price does is, what the pound yen sort of a pair does is, it moves up, moves sideways, moves up, moves sideways, gathers the orders, and starts moving up. Right now, at this point in time, we are waiting for a break. A clear buy is only above this area. 157,345 is one of the areas from where we can actually see clear buying, sort of a traffic on the left hand side. If you go into the 2 hour and look at the left hand side traffic, let's try and find the traffic here. Traffic. Oh, I can't see the traffic. Okay, anyways, it's all right. I'll check on my terminal because my terminal has the traffic, right? So yeah, that's pretty cool. So one of the clean areas from where I can start taking buy is 157,345. So if I actually have to adjust this bottom support area, so this is going to be my ultimate support area right here. Let's call this 156,840, right? So 156,840 is the 2 hour support area, even 4 hour. I mean, 4 hour is rejecting off of it, and we are still maintaining a bullish posture. For the candles to push down, I have to see some sort of rejection on the top, and a 30-minute or an hourly candle close below this area at least. Now, we tried to break that level several times, once, twice, thrice, but we corrected that. Again, we tried. So there has been several attempts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if price is tapping these levels several times, and if it's actually trying to head bearish, maybe sells below 156, I would say 730 could be a nice idea. We do have a clear traffic on the left hand side, but until then, we're just waiting. So waiting for a 30 or a 15-minute candle to close. And that's what we're waiting for. Clear buys above 157,345. This is what I'm going to do. Clear buys. Buys above 157.5. All right, so we are waiting. All right, so gold is actually hanging around this 4 hour sort of a support area. This this gray area is one of the active 4 hour support area from the left hand side. And the previous 4 hour candle in gold obviously closed bearish, a very confident bearish candle. And this 4 hour candle has also made a top wick. And there is a probability that it can actually push down and fill the wick on the left hand side. But this is a very strong support area from where we actually pushed up in about 370 pips. So that is something, right? So yeah, I mean, the left-hand side traffic, the immediate traffic on the left-hand side is not that clear, is not the best to look into, but below 1746.45, it's pretty clear. So I'm actually waiting for 1746.45 more than anything else. 1746.45. All right, so we are just waiting here, waiting and waiting. Waiting and waiting, waiting and waiting. Waiting and waiting. All right, so we are in about 45 minutes away from the market open. 45 minutes away. US dollar headed back on Monday towards the year. They're bucking the trend thanks to strong data. All right, so I'm going to adjust my level. Adjusting my level according to the most recent price action, 156.735. 735. All right, so we are waiting here. We are just waiting for the market volume. That's what we're waiting for. All righty, we are exactly 37 minutes away from the market open here. New York market open. I mean, the guys in the YouTube, if you guys don't know what session you are in, you must know this. This is the pre-New York, obviously. 2 hours before the market open is the pre-session. And obviously we do have a lot of volume, but today has happened to be the Monday. And Monday and Tuesdays are usually the market setup days where the market's setting up and the volume is slowly building up. The orders are being collected in the market. And this is the second half of the month, as we talked about right at the beginning of the stream. The second half of the month usually is composed with a lot of volume, so it moves pretty well. So it must be setting up for the rest of the month. So it's very, very, very important to see how the market's going to move throughout the day of Monday and Tuesday. That's how we will plan the rest of the week, right? Right now, not a lot of things happening except for ranging price action. I mean, pound yen's been ranging pretty hard. Looks like if the price is rejecting the bottom one more time, we can clearly see the rejections, right? So the rejection here, look at the rejection right here. You see the rejection here. All right, so let me actually make it a little bit better. What I can do is I can do this. Dun, dun, dun. Look at this. All right. Look at the rejection. Right, so the rejections are getting higher and higher and higher. So if the rejections are getting higher and we are eventually going to break 157 160 and even 157 345 with volume, we might even push higher. So that's what I'm waiting for. But it's also giving early signs of bullish pressure. The previous candle closed with no wick at the bottom. This candle is rejecting the bottom, the current 30-minute candle. If the candles are to push up, it is showing good early signs. What I might need is, for a clear buy, I might need a 15-minute or a 30-minute candle to close above. That's going to be my entry rule for today. A simple entry rule. I mean, I just have to wait. Simple as that. Pretty simple. Just have to wait for the volume to kick in. Gold has been pretty rangy on a 4-hour perspective. On the other hand, previous 4-hour candle closed heavy bearish. This is a very solid 4-hour candle. But we are rejecting off of this 4-hour support, which is not a ideal situation, as we talked about again. But hey, man, we're just waiting here. Just waiting for a proper selling opportunity. But I mean, sales are better off below 1746.45, just because of the fact that the traffic on the left hand side is not the best. So if buys are coming in, I think buys above 1769.50 is a good idea. At least we are waiting here. Waiting. We are waiting. Just waiting for the volume. Hopefully in the next 34 minutes, we will see some volume in the market.
Hello,
Hello, hello, hello.
how are you? How was your Dasai?
Good, Sabine. How would you say?
Good.
What did you do, Sabine?
Uh, Nothing. Just Tika.
Yeah, oh,
Tika.
that's good.
I went to Mama Gar.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I have one Mama in Ragda, near to my unit.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, nearest
Oh,
Mama.
wow. Your own mama?
Not my one Mama. Nearest, like my grandmother, sister, son.
All right, all right.
Yeah.
Grandmother, sister, son. Okay, yeah, close relation. Okay.
Yeah, close. Yeah.
That's good. Yeah, we played a lot of cards.
Yeah. Oh, play a lot of that. Yeah.
Yeah, for 3 days.
Wow.
Yeah, we thought.
And you win?
Yeah, we won.
Yeah.
Yeah, we won like $200 something. That's it. You guys play any card?
No, not in Nasai. Before we play, but in Nasai, no time.
No time. Okay. Yeah, we played a lot of cards. You have some Kosikumasu?
Yeah, Koshigamasu. We take the Koshigamasu from palm,
Oh,
and I got all the koshi. Like there is a maybe it's fillet, fillet,
uh-huh.
4 fillet of koshi,
Yeah.
and we got it in our brother's restaurant.
Wow, that's good. Yeah, we had a lot of Kosikumasu too.
Yeah, did you take any trade today?
No trades. No trade. Trade. Market is so rangy today. Super duper rangy.
It's better to use the standard account or prime in bulls market, a black bull market.
Yeah, I think it's a good idea to use something with less spread.
Yeah.
The prime account has better spread. ECN account, you wanna go for ECN account because it has lower spread. You need to pay commission, but yeah, that's better long term.
ECN, yeah. ECN Islamic.
No, not Islamic. Islamic is where
ECN Prime.
Yeah. ECN
okay.
account. Yeah.
Yeah. So today I chat with live chat, and then I told them to change to the prime account because in standard account there is a lot of spread in.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah, in prime account they only charge like commission $6 per hour. That's
Yes.
okay, right?
That's okay. Yes, most of the brokerage they charge $7.
Okay.
Yeah. It's good.
And one benefit of this black bulls is they return the service charge of bank also.
Yeah, exactly.
Deposit in our account.
Exactly. Yeah. Blackpool is good. You know, it's okay for Australian people like us. It's okay. Yeah, very less volume today. Not a lot of volume. Volume is so slow. The market is very slow. Okay, it looks like the market is moving finally. As we are in about 20, and looks like the market is finally moving here on YouTube. Julie Lin is saying, "Hey everybody, do you openly tell others that you trade for a living?" I mean, here's the thing, right? So you shouldn't put all of your egg in a basket. And the thing about trading for a living is, I mean, it's just depending on one skill to do. I mean, to rely on your expense. I don't think that's a good idea right at the beginning. I mean, slowly transitioning once your income subsides. I mean, your trading income starts exceeding the amount of money you earn from your regular job, then thinking about the things is a different story. But hey, yeah, I mean, a lot of traders here in our room, they trade at the side as a part-time hobby, and they have slowly started trading and transitioning to trading full-time. But you don't need to trade full-time as a beginner trader, and that's something that's not going to help you. You know, that's not a question that's going to help you. If you're asking me if trading full-time is possible, yes, it's possible. If you're asking me if I'm trading for a living, that's not exactly going to help you. So you got to ask something that's going to help you, right? So measuring somebody else's success or measuring somebody else's income is not going to help you. All right, so on YouTube, Julie Lin is saying, "Gotcha." Yep. That's right, Julie. I mean, we only welcome people who are willing to learn, you know. I mean, if you're here to question somebody's ability, I don't think that's going to help you. You're here to share ideas and rather ask questions that are going to help you, man. This floor is for you. Definitely. Every question you ask is going to be answered. Every single question. You just got to open up your mind, you know, because every day is a learning day. Every chapter you relate yourself to, I mean, you learn something, right? Maybe this guy, Peeling Mindset, Anuj, he's not going to teach you about trading was something else. But you just gotta ask with this learning sort of aspiration inside you, right? That's it.
In GJ, will you buy above 157, 179?
157,179 above this level.
Yeah, above this level.
Yeah, I'm thinking about this level, but I think a better buy is above 157,345 above this level. Yeah, trying to wait for a better entry, a better price. So above 157,345 is a better idea. Especially because it's a Monday and everything is rangy on the left hand side, right? So everything is rangy. Every single thing is rangy here. So we don't want to trade inside the range. It's not the best idea. So maybe above 157,345, yes. 13 minutes away from the market open now. Let's see how GJ is going to move here. So the rejections in GJ, the most recent 30-minute rejections has been higher and higher and higher and higher. All right, so more than likely, if the candles are to close with a wick on the top above 157, 160, I might take a buy right there. Or if candles are to close with a wick above 157, 345, buys above that level might be nice. You're kind of waiting here. Pretty simple idea to execute on today. Most recent trend has been bullish, and the key levels has been identified as well. We have identified important levels above and below which we can execute a trade, looking at the clear traffic. So just waiting. Just waiting. Oh wow, gold is pushing. Beautiful.
Still, I have a trade on gold. XAUUSD is a gold, right?
Yep.
And gold is making a higher high, a lower high, or low, yeah.
Yep.
in 15-minute candle.
Mm-hmm. I think gold's gonna push down here. It's just that selling near a support is not a good idea. I think that it's gonna push down. I'm thinking about taking sales only below 1746.45, but yeah, it might push down here. I'm actually looking for sales, but it's too hard to take a sell when the traffic is like this. It's a funny traffic.
Yeah. Why most of the trader use the curve monitor for trade?
What did you say?
Why the most of the trader use curve monitor? Curve, right?
I'm not sure, because it's nice. Because it's nice to look at. I think curve is better than the flat monitor. You know, I think a curve monitor, it's easier to look at. That's what I think.
In the Dasai day, I went to Roseville with my Tika.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
But nobody's in there.
Nobody was there?
Yeah, nobody was there.
Oh, my God. Okay. Yeah. It was good. That was fun. We played a lot of cards, a lot of game, and that was good. It a lot of beautiful people to be with, you know, they say. Good time. Now I need to lose weight.
Oh, you want to lose weight?
Yeah, because I ate
How much
too
is your
more.
weight currently?
84.
84?
Yeah.
Oh,
What about you?
71 before lockdown.
Uh-huh. Before lockdown, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Need to lose weight. A lot of weight. Oh, wow. Gold is doing a backflip here. Oh, wow. Look at this one.
Oh, what it is?
They're
The
checking.
earthquake time. What is this? Oh, checking. Yeah.
They're checking for the site. Oh my god, they're checking for alcohol test,
Yeah.
license. God. Oh, Eco trial, okay.
Oh.
Oh, this must be in Sydney.
Which Instagram is this?
I just searched the say.
Ah, the same. Yeah.
Okay, now this is the market open and looks like we are ranging. Pound yen, previous 30-minute candle, closed with a wick on the top, but right now it's very rangy. Yeah, I mean, the support is being respected. On a 2-hour time frame, we can be clearly seen as support being respected, but we need candles closing above 157.345. And that way we can clearly take a buy. Right now it's a range. To be honest, I can close the chart and call it a day because it's looking so rangy and it's Monday, right? So this is not the best price action. And gold, gold is rejecting the top again one more time, and gold is starting to head down. Previous 4-hour candle closed bearish. Yeah, gold is looking very bearish. Rangy market. Or so on YouTube, Enzo is saying rangy Monday. That's right. Enzo is correct. It's a rangy Monday here. It's a super duper rangy Monday. Super duper rangy Monday. Yeah, nothing is happening. Literally nothing is happening. So we're just gonna enjoy the photos here. This buddy here got some ICA trial.
I need to give double for this car.
Yeah, exactly. Salami. Yeah, that's right. Oh, wow.
Link the ping.
Yep.
Have you ever experienced the board attack?
Oh, yep.
Where?
In Bondi Beach.
Oh, Bondi Beach.
Yeah, I was eating my burger.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that was like a Hungry Jack's burger and attack.
Maybe 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 days before Dasai, in Roseville, the small birds come and just slap me on my cheek.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there is even a small scratch, and I send it to my boss. Oh, and he told me like, yeah, just kissing you.
Oh my god.
And that boss remember the face of the people.
Oh yeah, they do. Yeah, they do. Oh my god. Yeah, I think the birds attacked me because of my food that time.
Ah, right, yeah.
Yeah, because I had burger and just attacked me. And they took the French fries.
Like monkey do in Pasupati.
Yeah, oh my god, yes. So on YouTube, Enzo is saying falling asleep while looking. Ooh, something just made a sound. Alright, so that was gold. Oh wow, gold is starting to push up here. Nice. Oh, and gold is pushing up.
Look like every peers are moving now.
What did you say?
Every peers are moving.
Yeah, exactly. Red 30. Gold, wow, gold is moving now. Beautiful. Wow, gold is pushing here. Beautiful. Our Pound yen is doing something similar here, rejecting the top. At this point of time, 4-hour candles are rejecting everything on the top. It's starting to push down here. So what I need to see is, if I'm looking for sales, I need to see at least a 30-minute candle close below. 30-minute candle close below 156.735, and I can actually take sales. Taking sales right now, right in the middle of the range, is too funny. It's just funny. So waiting for a 15 or actually 30, waiting for a 30-minute candle to close below. All right, so we're in the first 8 minutes of the market. First 8 minutes of the market, and we are pushing up pretty hard in gold. So we were ranging throughout the day here. Today's market has been pretty rangy. We started the market from here. We opened up somewhere around here, and it has been rangy ever since. Came down rangy, but right now it's pushing up after rejecting this 4-hour support area. Rejecting it and starting to push up. Wow, look at gold here. First 10 minutes in the market. First 10 minutes in the market. Pound yen is starting to push down here. All right, so if 1 hour or a 30-minute candle closes below 156.735, I will definitely take a sell. I'll give this trade a chance. I'm just waiting here. Like it's gonna push down. First 11 minutes in the market, and we are pretty bearish. Pretty bearish.
If 15-minute candle close above the 1.85984 in GA, then it's good to buy or not.
GA is actually looking very good for buy. GA is actually looking the best. Yeah, a buy was right here. Yeah, if this 15-minute candle closes above this area, I think it's good for buy. It's still good for buy. Yeah. Yeah, I think GA is gonna push up here.
And a 5-minute candle making support here. Can you see the 5-minute candle? GA.
Yeah. Trying to make a support here. That's right. I think GA is gonna push up here. It's like GA is gonna push up. Gold is rejecting the top. Rejecting the top one more time. Good. Gold is rejecting the top. Rejecting the Right, the first 15-minute in the candle in the market, gold, a 15-minute candle closed with a wick on the top, showing signs of continuation. More than likely, this 15-minute candle is going to fill the wick. It's going to move up. It's very interesting right now. Candles are moving. Pound yen is very bearish. It's actually bearish. This 15-minute candle engulfed everything, like everything happened in the left hand side, right? So this is like a very strong bearish candle, and the candles are starting to push down. This is the first few minutes of the market open. That's why I'm kind of waiting to see if a 15 or a 30-minute candle closes below 156.735 level. If that's going to happen, I will take a sell, but until then I'm waiting. Until then, I am waiting. Done. Is pushing up. Nice and slow. And slow. All right, so the first 15 minute out of the market open candles pushed up. Looks like this was a liquidity grab on the top in gold. So that means if prices, if the candles still a liquidity grab on the top, more than likely the candles are going to push lower, even lower, right? If it's rejecting all these areas, all this area right here with its wick, more than likely it's going to push down. Let's see what's going to happen. Ooh. 15-minute candle rejecting the bottom one more time. All right. Interesting. Very interesting. So we are 22 minutes in the market and we are waiting. It is a boring day here in the market. Okay. So we're gonna look at the same photo here. What's this? Oh my god. What the hell is that? Oh my god. Somebody's stealing, all right.
Where is this? This is in India.
Yeah. Wow. this? Oh, wow. What is this?
This is paying.
Wow. Interesting.
What is this? This is a cow. This
I
one.
think this is a cow. Yeah, I think it's a cow. Looks like Yeti. Looks like yak.
Yeah.
Everybody's putting on their tika. Tika.
All Hindu people celebrate Dasai in India
Yeah,
also.
exactly. Yeah. Beautiful Dasai. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Dasai. Oh, wow.
So Renzi today.
Exactly.
Gold start to come in their place, Renzi place.
Exactly. It's very hard to trade today. It's very hard. Nothing is clear.
Can you share your worst experience of trade?
What did you say?
A very worst experience of trade.
Oh, worst experience of trade. All right, so I think one of the worst thing anybody can do is to predict. So when I say predict, they bet. They say, I know it's going to go here without any analysis, and they take a trade blindly. That's not going to help in long run, you know. So that's what I used to do as a beginner trader. Sometimes it's not going to help. We have to understand the fact that what we see is what we trade. We don't trade what we think. We trade what we see. So that's one of the most important thing I've learned from somebody who's more experienced than me, and that's something anybody will learn over time if they're trading out of their imagination. You know, that's not going to help. Visualizing the candles are going to help, but if you take a trade thinking it's going to go somewhere just because you think it's going to go somewhere, it's not going to help. Not at all. Yeah, I think everybody will learn that over time. You know, everybody will learn. Either they will learn or they will hurt themselves really bad because they will overtrade. I mean, I learned it the hard way, really hard way. Because I thought I was the king, I was the hero, I was the Don, you know?
Mhm.
And it's not gonna work like that. Yeah, you have to be very humble in the market, because the market's gonna take your money away. You know, it's gonna take your money in a click. So you have to be aware of the fact that you cannot just put on a trade just because you feel like. You have to take a trade once everything aligns. It has to fit in your rule. What is your rule? There has to be clear there has to be clear traffic. There has to be candles closing with a wick in your direction. There has to be volume. If there's no volume, there's no trade. I mean, your rules have to make sense. If it doesn't make sense, you will lose money in the market. So yeah, never ever trade thinking it's gonna move. Trade when you see it's gonna move. Very simple. Oh, yep. Starting to move again. It's gonna move up. Gold is gonna move up here. That's what I think. Gold is going to move up. There's a 1 minute support rejection of the channel, and yeah, this is the volume time right now. We are 30 minutes in the market. 30 minutes in the market. Previous 30-minute candle closed with a wick on the upside. This 30-minute candle making a wick at the bottom and is starting to push up. More than likely, it's going to fill the wick and is going to tap the top part of the channel. That's what gold is going to do here. And pound yen is going to push down. More than likely, it's going to push down. Yeah, pound AUD is rejecting the top at this point in time. If the pound AUD candles reject this bottom part of the channel, we might push up. So kind of waiting here. Gold, yep, gold is going to push up here. Very high chance to push up. Gold. Yeah. Very rangy market today. G market. All right, we are 37 minutes in the market, and gold is actually rejecting the top. I was actually looking for rejection at the bottom part of the channel, but looks like gold right now is rejecting everything on the top. So the first 15 minutes of the market was like a liquidity grab, price sort of like moving up, gold pushing up to grab its premium price before it could push down. Now looking at the 4-hour or even 2-hour, it's so clear. If this 2-hour candle closes bearish below this channel, bottom part of the channel, and even the support area, we have a very high chance to push down now, which is clearly rejecting the top, right? So I was actually looking for a support. There was a support, but the candles, it's a very hard price action. Today looks like everybody is getting wicked. Everybody is getting a nasty taste of the range, right? So we don't want that. Don't want to experience that. Yeah, gold is just doing its gymnastic. It's doing a backflip, then it's doing a front flip. It's doing everything here.
Very flexible.
Yeah, it's very flexible. Yes. Oh my God! Look at this again. Yep, gold is kind of funny. Wow. Gold is very flexible. Oh my God.
If the candle are moving in the volume with a volume, very big volume, and but there is no any support and no resistance, will you take the buy or sell,
Yeah, it
or will
depends
not?
if
You will
there's
waiting for.
yeah, it depends if there is proper traffic on the left hand side.
All
If
right, yeah.
there's a clear traffic, you will definitely see a support somewhere. Maybe a support on a 5 minute or a 1 minute, but you will definitely see a support.
Support 1 minute support is also valid. Yeah.
Yep, if there's high volume for
Yeah.
for pairs like gold, it's valid. But there has to be clear traffic on the left hand side. Oh, this is in Pokhara, right?
Which one? Yeah, Pokhara.
This is the new mandir, is it?
Yeah, new mandir. Shivaji mandir.
Yeah. Pretty big.
Yeah, pretty big and in a good place. You can see mountain from there.
Oh.
This place called Pumdikot, I think. Pumdikot. What is called mala in English?
Garland.
Mala.
Garland.
Is it legal to take the pictures like that with drone?
I think it's illegal.
Yeah, illegal.
All right, I think gold sales are coming in. Have to wait a little bit more.
In gold, it's better to close the position if target is hit, right? It's making
Yeah.
long wick, so
Oh, wow. It is pushing down. Okay, finally we are starting to move.
still inside the range, but say
Exactly. Still inside the range. The 1 hour candle. Literally making a barcode here.
Yep.
Actually making a barcode. Yeah, pretty rangy. Pretty rangy market here. Oh, this dog is gonna eat the banana with the cover.
Oh, well, he got a dollar, US dollar.
Yeah, he's gonna use dollar. Yeah.
What are you gonna do with that? Tihar also a very amazing festival in Nepal.
Tihar?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Tihar means Deepavali. Deepavali,
exactly.
Tihar, whatever.
That used to be my best festival ever.
Yeah.
So on YouTube, Nigel is saying the market is rangy today. Yes, sir, it's rangy AF. Rangy AF. All right, I think I'm gonna call it a day here, because nothing is happening. Seriously, nothing is happening. You know, it's better to have a better sleep than wait in a rangy market. I mean, there's nothing happening, and it's Monday, right? Logical to call it a day. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna look at some photos here for the next 3 minutes, and I'll call it a day because there's nothing happening.
Maybe NYSE take the candle only from the range.
Yeah, I think NYSE could move the market, but highly unlikely because it's Monday. It's Monday, you know. Yeah, and there's nothing happening from London session. So London session, we started pushing down. We pushed down and it started ranging. Nothing happened. Corrected the market, and it's still ranging. So same thing in pound yen. Pound yen is making a new barcode pattern here. This is the barcode pattern. If you scan this, you get a free voucher for your dinner in Darbar restaurant.
Yeah, the Royal Darbar restaurant.
Yeah, Darbar restaurant in Rockdale.
Kogra.
Kogra, yep.
But they don't have, yeah.
So if you guys if you guys scan this GBPJPY pattern right now, you get a free discount for your dinner in this restaurant right here. Okay.
Still, they don't have website, I guess.
They haven't got the menus?
Yeah, they have menus. But before Royal Darbar, there is a name called Harati.
Ah, okay. All right, look at this. So the hourly candle closed bullish inside the channel. So still chances of pushing up as it closed inside the channel. In relation to the channel, it still has some chances to push up. But I mean, everything is rangy. Every single thing is rangy. Pound yen is making this coupon voucher pattern, and pound USD is doing something similar. Pound AUD something similar. Yeah, I mean, just funny.
Industrial product.
Industrial production, yeah, monthly release. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day here. Nothing's happening. Nothing is happening. Like everybody enjoyed their say.
Yeah.
Do you guys play cards sometimes, Sabine?
Yeah, sometime in home. Yeah.
What game do you play?
Kitty, Callbreak, Falas. That sort of game. I don't know the marriage. Do you know marriage?
Yeah, I don't know how to count the points.
Ah, I don't know that too. We play the easy game.
Yeah, yeah. Easy game is better. Do you guys play Dumbal?
Yeah, sometime.
Oh.
If you don't want to play without money, then we play Dumba.
Oh, without money is Dumbal. Okay.
Yeah. With money, other game. Without the money, Dumba.
My God. There's nothing happening here. All right, so I'm gonna call it a day here, and I will see you guys tomorrow. The guys in the YouTube. I'll see you, Sabine, tomorrow.
Okay, see you
See
tomorrow.
you, see you, see you. Take care, guys. Until then, just don't put your money in this rangy market. The market's gonna take your money away. You know, just have a beautiful day or beautiful night or beautiful sleep. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Good night.
Night, Sabine.